Want to turn your small investments into 10x returns? You're in the right place. Today, we're revealing the top 10 trading tricks and tips every beginner must know to grow fast in the stock market. Stick around till tip number 10. It's the secret pro traders never talk about. Tip 1. Learn, don't gamble. Trading is not lottery. Always start with learning, not hoping. Read about the basics, technical charts, candlesticks, support and resistance. Quick tip: spend your first 1,000 rupees on learning, not losing. Tip number 2, master risk management. Never risk more than 2% of your total capital on one trade. That's your lifeline. Protect it like gold. Rule of thumb: survival is success. Profit comes next. Tip number 3, time the market. Don't chase it. Wait for the right setup. Enter when your strategy says so, not your emotions. Patience pays, literally. Tip number 4, start with swing trading. Swing trading helps beginners understand momentum without the stress of intraday. It's slower, but safer. Break tip: swing trading equals holding stocks for a few days to a week. Tip number 5, follow the trend. Don't fight it. Always trade in the direction of the trend. Uptrend? Buy. Downtrend? Stay away or short, if you understand it. Tip number 6, use a proven strategy. Don't trade randomly. Use back-tested strategies like moving average crossovers, RSI divergence, or breakout volume combos. One strategy, 100 trades. Track results. Tip number 7, avoid tips and Telegram gurus. If someone had the magic trick, they wouldn't be selling courses. Trust your research, not WhatsApp forwards. Tip number 8, trade journal. Write down every trade: entry, exit, reason, emotion, result. It'll expose your weak points and improve you fast. Tip number 9, be consistent, not perfect. You don't need to win every trade. You just need to be right more often with better risk reward. Consistency beats luck. Tip number 10, compound small to big. Reinvest your profits. Don't withdraw too early. Let your winners grow. This is how 10,000 rupees becomes 1 lakh rupees over time. 10 times growth equals small wins times time times discipline. If this video helps, smash that like button, subscribe for more smart money moves, and comment below which tip will you apply first. Remember, the stock market doesn't reward the brave, it rewards the prepared. Happy trading.